and my name is Inyadatta.
And I'm Pranata.
And this is our second episode of the podcast. The name of the episode is How as an individual musician we are feeling. Like our creation, our journey, our thoughts, feelings, everything. A music video. Starting from a music video. What is a music video? A music video or a music is like 2-3 minutes music, a song that we enjoy, you like, we like, that's the thing, right? But on that 2-3 minutes we put so much effort as a individuals because we don't really have a team or like anyone who is working for us. We do everything from scratch and we do everything ourselves. No one is working for us. We don't really have any team. And for like big artists, I sometimes envy them really, but sometimes I do envy them because the kind of a music video they have, the kind of a music production they have,
high quality.
Oh my god, I'm like, oh my god, I really want to do this too. When we be able to do that, but yeah, it will take us some time, but eventually we will get there.
And like the thing for us is like our process, what we follow is like we sometimes get random ideas. Like she gets something and she like has to write all of that in her notes, or maybe like she would record it, or I will get some idea, I will write down in my notes and we will record it, and then we sit down. Like all of that is like really impromptu, but like when we sit down together to jot everything down together, there are like so many stances when our idea like matches and fits really well. Like she has written like 5 lines and I have maybe like made some tune, or maybe I have also written like 2-3 lines, and like sometimes there is this coincidence. Like it's not coincidence, but
most of the
times it happens like exactly. It's like a magic. Like 90% of the times we are like, okay, maybe like your part goes with my part, so like we can like merge them together and make
song.
And make it one song. And like that happens, and like our creation gives the idea. We don't really always like have like idea and we write something for that. We have not really done that much. Like we have done it like
we go with the flow.
Yes, like we go with the flow. Yes, like we first create and then form the idea. Like yes, maybe that can be the idea, like where we form later. And then like now we are also learning how to like compose, like music theory, and how to compose properly, what comes after what. Like previously what we were really like against the idea of repeating stanzas or repeating parts. Like we thought that we should like give new tune or new lines to every single part of the song. Even if it's small, but we want it fresh. But like now we know like no repeat means basically it cannot really like tune with you. Like you have to make that repeat to actually like
you need
vibe with it. Yes, like you have
like we also had a thought, like we did it because we thought that in everything, like on every stanza or every part, we will give you guys something that is like so fresh and like so new. Yes, so new, so that you can vibe. Like like this.
Like next part is something new, and it's like adventure. You won't expect what is coming from the next stanza of the song.
That is fun.
Yes, like that has, but now we have like come in the middle ground. Like we are still on with our new thoughts and new ideas. We don't really repeat anything, but like we have understood like that
music theory, like the part, like how things actually done professionally,
like how they are put together.
Yes,
that needs to be done. So we have come in the middle ground. Like yes, you will hear new things every time, but in a more professional, put together way. Instead of, it might feel like a little random, so instead of that it's like a little bit put together. So that happens first. Like the song is like written down together, put together. So like during these days, like when we are working on like creating that song perfectly, what happens, like when we are writing or like when we are giving any tune randomly, what I said earlier, those things come from like really passion and feeling. Like, oh my god, I'm feeling angry, I'm going to write down a song. Oh my god, I'm feeling like I'm seeing somebody cute and I'm gonna write something down. I'm feeling really tired of my work, I'm gonna write something down. I'm loving my work, I'm going to write that down. Like these things happen. But when everything is like put together, that thing is not always 100% passion. That is like 50% mind and 50% heart.
Yes.
Like we have
so
to,
true. This is
yes,
like
so true.
So
like we have to come out of just passion. Like we, like there are lines that I am like I insist that let's put it down. Like let's put this line. But then like if she tells me like no, this is not really going, so in my mind I'm like, but I really like that part, but then I will understand like okay, it's not going with it, or it will happen. I think it happens with you also. Like you also feel angry, like no, it's
not angry.
No, I feel like sometimes I feel like a little bit frustrated that okay, it's nice, but like the next morning when I wake up, I'm like, yeah, she's right.
This one is like more good, like going with the flow. Like I also understand that where she is coming from, like why this para is not going. But most of the times it's like our understanding is there.
Yes.
So it's like our understanding is there. So it's not like so much thinking is going on that what is going to happen. Like I need to put this line on, or I need to like deny this, like this can't happen. So these kind of things don't happen in our workflow.
Yes.
That is a thing.
Like mutual understanding is there.
Because maybe like we have started it together.
Yes.
Maybe that's the reason why that could, like so many things go hand with hand, but obviously that's also a very like huge reason why. And also because this thing have for this thing we can dodge so many things in life. in life like whenever life has like put us in a situation that was hard for us, we came back to this thing. I think that that's the reason why we, like I have my heart in it. That is also the reason why. Because sometimes it's hard. People just don't understand, like don't value you, and sometimes you really have to have something to count on. Like I do have people to count on, but something like that is like truly yours is something that is like a thing that need to be cherished, I guess.
Yes. And like this is like something when we create something, like that joy. That's like on different level, and that's why we also keep coming back to it at the end.
Obviously. And also I know that so many artists are there who watch our videos.
Yes, do share your own joys and own feelings and maybe your work process.
You can tell us about your Christmas plans, like what you are doing on these holidays, that one day of what you are doing. Please let us know that.
Until the next time,
be musical.